Hi guys, Matilda here. I am at Mixology's flagship venue, TT Liqueur in Shoreditch. Today we're going to show you how to make one of our all-time favorites from our cocktail making classes, the TT Zombie. Our current twist on this infamous tiki cocktail uses white rum, but feel free to use white, dark, gold rum. This is a great opportunity to get experimental and throw as much rum at a drink as you like. We hope you love it as much as we do. And the ingredients are in the description below, but here's Kay to show us how to make it.
All right guys, it's Kay back here at TT Liqueur. Today I'm going to be showing you our most recent version of a very famous drink called a zombie. Now this is a shaken drink, so as always I'm going to start with the bottom half of my shaker. First thing we need, very importantly, is some rum. And we want 50 mils of our rum. Next thing going in here, which is going to give us some sweetness and some real kind of distinct Caribbean flavour, is going to be some Velvet Falernum. And we want 25 mils of our Falernum. All right, next thing going in here, just to give us a little extra bit of sweetness, is going to be some sugar syrup or some gum. And we want 20 mils of our gum. There we go. We want the juice of a whole lime, roughly about 25 mils or a shot. Now, I don't need to measure my juice this time because I know I want the juice of a whole lime. So I'm just going to squeeze the juice from both of these halves straight into the shaker with the other ingredients. That's one, and the other. And I'm going to hold on to my squeezed lime half here because I'm going to be using that for a special little garnish at the end. I'm ready to fill this tin with cubed ice. There we go. Whack my tin on at a little angle, give it a smack to seal it. And I'll give this a shake for about 10 to 15 seconds. Here we go. Beautiful, all right. We're going to be serving this cocktail in a hurricane glass, which is one of these big fun glasses. And I'm going to be serving it with dirty ice, which means I'm going to use the ice from the shaker. So I'm just going to pour the whole thing into there. There we go. And I'm just going to top that up with a little bit more ice to bring it right up to the rim. There we go, fantastic. Now we've got two more ingredients to add to our zombie. The first of which is our very important melon flavour, and that's going to come in the form of some of this melonade French melon liqueur. Now we want about 20 mils of our melonade. And I'll just pour that over the top, give us this lovely little orange colour. And now we're ready for our final ingredient, and we're going to have a bit of fun with this one. So for this, I need that lime half that I squeezed and saved earlier on. And what I'm going to do is just hollow this out. So I'm going to push my thumbs in where the fruit was, and I'm going to sit that little bowl on top of my cocktail, ready to fill with my final ingredient, which is going to be some of this Wray & Nephew overproof rum. So I'm going to fill up the lime half with the Wray & Nephew. There we go. And I'm going to grab myself a match. So that's burning away now. We've got kind of a faint blue flame on top of that. Now to make it a little bit more exciting, in my shaker here I've got some cinnamon. I'm just going to dust a little cinnamon over the flame. There we go. We'll have some fun doing that, and then we'll blow it out before that Wray & Nephew burns away. Pour the rest of it into our drink, and there we go. That is our zombie, ready to drink.